is up, you guys? Happy Saturday. Today is June 20th, aka Solstice Day. It is the longest day of the year. And here in Anchorage, Alaska, we're almost going to have like, I think 19 or 20 hours of daylight today. How crazy is that? Sean, my wonderful husband, is driving me to Michelle's house. And then from Michelle's house, we're gonna pick up Ederlee and we're gonna start our girlfriend's adventure. We are going to be staying at Alyeska for the night. Okay, baby, thank you so much for dropping me off. Love you.
Love you.
So it's summertime in Alaska, and you know what that means? It means construction time.
Tis the season. Let's just.
Do you guys remember Michelle? Here's Michelle, and then Ederlee
With a mask.
Ederlee's wearing a mask already. We went to Portland together, so you guys may remember them from our Portland vlog. So our first stop is at Bird Point. I haven't been here in years, but it's so beautiful. Let me show you around. Hi, Beluga. Thank you. It's snack break time, so we're gonna have some snap peas and we're gonna have some boom chicka popcorn.
And here's your garbage.
Thank you. Now we are at the Byron Glacier Trail. It's near Portage Glacier. Oh my god, it's so pretty. All right, we are on our way back to the car, and then I think we're gonna go ahead and drive into Girdwood now. Ice cream break. So for ice cream, I got the fireweed honey and then the lemon meringue on top. Michelle got
Dairy-free mango sorbet.
I got the blueberry and Alaskan Mountain blackberry.
Yum, yum, yum. So this is our first time at the High Tower Pub. I think the pastrami hash is calling my name. parked at Alyeska and we're about to check in. Hopefully our room is ready. So we just woke up from our nap and now we're going to get some coffee. So for dinner, we're gonna eat at Jack Sprat. My favorite thing to order here is the bibimbap. It's so good. It is a hot stone pot. It has jasmine rice in it with pork, veggies, and kimchi.
Thank you.
You guys, like one of the best things to order here are the yam fries. It's so good. Here's Ederlee, here's Michelle.
Worth the drive.
Worth the drive, yes.
But make your reservation.
Yes, be sure to make a reservation to eat here. Otherwise, you're gonna have to wait forever. So Ederlee ordered peanut pan. I ordered the bibimbap. And Michelle also got bibimbap, the vegan style. Good morning, happy Sunday, happy Father's Day. We are just packing up the car and then we are gonna go back inside to get some coffee. So we picked up breakfast at the bake shop. It was my first time there and it's super windy up here. We are at McHugh's Creek and the view is beautiful. The wind ain't got nothing on a good time. You guys, I got home around 1 p.m. and I took a long nap. Oh my gosh, I had so much fun on this girlfriend's trip. I did want to share with you what I got at the at one of the gift shops that they have at the Alyeska resort. I am not a huge tea drinker, but I could not pass these up. So without further ado, let me share with you what is in the bag. First of all, I got this ceramic tea mug and infuser. What drew me into this mug is the colors that are on here. So there's like pink and gold and it's so pretty. It is by the brand Pinky Up. And this is what it looks like. So there's this lid on here that helps keep the heat in, and then of course also you can rest this part on top of it. And I also got confetti cake tea. It sounded so good. It says as far as ingredients go, it says it has pineapple, chamomile, orange peel, mango, safflower, and also natural flavoring, whatever that means. So here we go. And then the last thing I got from the gift shop is coconut sugar. Can't wait to try this combination. All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed this vlog. Michelle and Ederlee, if you're watching, I had so much fun. Thank you so much for making these new memories with me. And I hope to see you guys again real soon. Thanks for watching.